Next, we say kinds of sentences. Sentences are four kinds. First is assertive or declarative. Second is interrogative sentence. Third is imperative sentence. And fourth is exclamatory sentence. First, we pay attention on assertive or declarative sentences. What are these sentences? How do we recognize it? Means, how do we identify assertive or declarative? Assertive sentence asserts, affirms, or denies some statements. That is called assertive sentence. Assertive sentence can be of two types: affirmative sentence or negative sentence. Now we see what is affirmative sentence and what is negative sentence. Suppose we say he reads a book. It is affirmative sentence. And when we say he doesn't read a book, it is negative sentence. This is the difference of the affirmative sentence and negative sentence, and both the sentences are the part of the assertive or declarative sentence. Next point, we see interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence asks some questions. That questions may be yes/no question, yes or no. The question which answer in yes or we answer in no. And second is WH word question. That those questions which are formed by using the WH word. WH words are why, when, where, how, what, which, etc. Example, we can say, if you ask anyone, do you study properly? What the answer you will get? You will get the answer in yes or in no. So it is called yes/no question. WH word, if you ask anyone, why do you study? Then in that situation, a person has to answer with explanation. Why does he study? So when the question connected with WH word, we have to give our explanation of that questions. And some questions which answer be in yes or no. Those questions are started. Those questions are begun with anomalous verb, or we can say helping verbs. Next is imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? In imperative sentence, we see the command, we see the instruction, any type of instruction, any type of order, any type of advice, any type of request. They all are imperative sentence. For example, we can say stand up. If we say a stand up, who will stand up? It is order and it remains subjectless. There is no subject in imperative sentence, but it may be a command, it may be an instruction, it may be an advice, it may be a request. And next is exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? Exclamatory sentence is a strong feeling of the heart, or any sudden feeling that comes into our heart is an exclamatory sentence. It starts with what, what an, for example we can say what an idea, what a beautiful scene. A lot of examples we can speak. Second, starting with how charming the scene is. It's also sudden feeling, it's also a strong feeling of the heart, so it is exclamatory sentence. Now the next, we see WH questions. WH questions we have discussed in the previous time also. WH questions can begin with. WH क्वेश्चन जो है ये शुरू हो सकता है, किस रूप में शुरू हो सकता है? तो पहला है इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस. इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस आर who, whose, whom, what or which. So these are the interrogative pronouns. Students, you know what are the pronouns? Pronouns are those that place in a stead of a noun. ये प्रोनाउन जो होता है नाउन के जगह पे आता है, और यहाँ पर ये सब जो है इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउन है. मीन्स ये जब भी आएगा तो नाउन के जगह पे. सेकंड है इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. ये एडजेक्टिव्स का क्या काम है? एडजेक्टिव जो है ये क्वालिफाई करता है नाउन को या प्रोनाउन को. जैसे व्हाट कलर, विच चाइल्ड, whose turn, they are interrogative adjectives. And third one is interrogative adverbs. Adverbs क्या होता है? We are aware of adverbs. Adverbs जो होता है ये वर्ब को भी क्वालिफाई करता है. कहीं कहीं ये आपको एडजेक्टिव को भी क्वालिफाई करता है, और कहीं कहीं ये एडवर्ब्स को भी क्वालिफाई करता है. लेकिन यहाँ पे हम लोग इंट्रोगेटिव एडवर्ब्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, और वो इंट्रोगेटिव एडवर्ब्स है व्हेन, वेयर, व्हाई, हाउ लॉन्ग, हाउ फार, how often and how soon. These are the examples of interrogative adverbs. Understanding everyone? Now we see interrogative pronoun. For example, we see who, whose, whom apply to persons. ये who है, whose है, whom है, ये पर्सन के लिए अप्लाई होता है. जैसे अगर हम लोग एग्जाम्पल में कहते हैं who has taken my pen, तो who has taken my pen, तो who किसके लिए आया है? तो who किसी पर्सन के लिए आया है. वो पर्सन क्या है? नाउन है. क्वाइट नेचुरल है कि जब ये नाउन के जगह पर आया है तो ये प्रोनाउन है. दूसरे एग्जाम्पल में हम ये भी देख सकते हैं कि whose is this book. whose किसके लिए आया है? किसी नाउन के लिए आया है, तो ये क्या हो गया? प्रोनाउन हो गया. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल हम लोग ये भी देख सकते हैं कि whom do you want to meet. आप किससे मिलना चाहते हैं? तो whom किसके लिए आया है? नाउन के लिए आया है, तो ये इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउन हो गया. एक चीज और क्या गौर करना है कि who is used as a subject, where whom is used as an object. अब who का प्रयोग हम सब्जेक्ट के रूप में करते हैं, और whom का प्रयोग ऑब्जेक्ट के रूप में करते हैं. जैसे अगर हम कहते हैं who invited you, तो यहां पे who क्या है? सब्जेक्ट, और यू क्या है? ऑब्जेक्ट. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल अगर हम whom को देखें तो whom are you inviting, whom क्या हो गया ऑब्जेक्ट, whom are you inviting, whom यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट है और सब्जेक्ट कौन है, इनवाइट कौन कर रहा है, तो यू कर रहा है. However, these days in informal conversation it is used to use who instead of whom. Example, whom do you want to talk to and who do you want to talk to. Both are in used, we can use. Next we see what can be used for person as well as things. What is in your pocket, what is he, these are the examples. Who is he, what is he. We use what with a person, it means that we want to know their trade or profession, which applies both to persons and things. which का प्रयोग पर्सन के लिए भी करेंगे और थिंग्स के लिए भी करेंगे. We use which when we have to select some person or thing from a given group. Example, who is the captain and which of you is the captain. What are you writing these days? It is general inquiry. And which of these books have you written, pointing to a group. And some interrogative pronouns, who, whose, whom, they are used only for persons, and who used as subject. What or which used for persons as well as things, and whom is used as an